Um, Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Yeah, actually, I'm Krishna Prasad. I have started my career in 2013, and I have joined as a operations executive. Then I moved into SQL in internal job opportunity.
Mhm.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, actually, at a company. I started my career with Reliance Nippon Life Insurance. Then I moved into Wipro and a permanent role.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah.
Okay. How you are going to do failover in log shipping?
Yeah, actually, when it come to the log shipping, uh, log shipping is a manual failover. In log shipping, we do the failover manually.
Mm-hmm.
So it is we don't have option for automatic failover.
Yeah, that's okay. How you are going to do that manual failover only?
Not sure. Not
Okay.
sure.
Uh, okay. Uh, like if you configure log shipping, what are the jobs that going to get created in the instance?
Yeah, actually, whenever we doing in logship, we had a 4 jobs. So it is a backup job on primary, and
Mm-hmm.
copy and restore job on secondary server, and alert job on this on monitor server instance. If
Okay.
it is
Okay.
a
What is like proxy and redirect? Which one is better?
I think as per my knowledge, it's a proxy.
Proxy.
Yeah,
Then what is mean by proxy?
I think it is.
No, don't think in that on-prem SQL server. Try to become. You just consider the Azure SQL database.
Yeah, proxy is just like a bypass.
No, no, that's not true.
I'm not sure on that.
Okay, can you take me through SQL Server architecture of Azure SQL database?
Yeah, sure. Actually, when it comes to the architecture, we had uh,
Yeah.
protocol here. We had a query engine, and we
No, no,
had
no. I'm not asking you the on-prem SQL Server architecture. I'm asking you about like Azure SQL database architecture.
Azure part. I'm not sure.
Okay.
I mostly worked on premise only. Azure, I have very less experience. Only I had migrated a couple of applications on 100+ databases from on-premise to Azure in one project. That is the
Okay.
only experience I had.
Okay. So what is WRK file?
WRK file. Think right now I remember.
Okay. What is, can you take me through differences between log backup and tail log backup?
Log backup and
Tail log backup.
yeah, actually when it is come to the log backup means like T-log backup, right?
Yeah. Tail log
T-log,
backup and tail log backup.
okay. Tail log back captures all the log records and that not have been backed up uh, to prevent the work loss. To
Okay.
be keeping log chain intact, like to prevent log sequence number LSN breaking the log SQL
Mm-hmm.
number.
Not true.
Okay. Backup of all the transaction log records from last full backup is T-log.
Mm-hmm. Not satisfied with the answer. Okay. Now what is tough file?
Tough file is transaction undo file.
Mm-hmm.
It is used in log shipping.
Mm-hmm.
It is a mechanism to store uncommitted transactions that are present in the transaction log backup being shipped to the secondary server.
Okay. Okay. When it is going to get create?
Whenever this uncommitted transactions
Yeah, uncommitted. When it is going to get created? Is it in standby mode or is it in recovery mode?
yeah, in recovery mode.
In recovery mode. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Not sure, but
Okay, you are opting for no in recovery mode, right? Okay. So how you are going to start and stop the endpoint in SQL Server? Can you explain that syntax?
endpoints. Not sure right now.
Okay. Can you talk about 2 minutes per query store?
Query store.
Yeah.
Not sure.
Are you are you aware of write 0, write 1, write 5, write 10, write 110?
Not sure.
Okay. So what is SSL and TSL?
It is a SQL languages. TSL is transit SQL language.
Language? I don't know, man. That was that. I don't think they are languages. They are like protocols. Okay. How you are going to update the statistics?
Yeah, actually, statistics are very important. Always optimizer will prepare your query plan based on the statistics.
Okay.
So, if we have a better query plan, actually this statistics will based on this run based on this query plan. If we don't have update the stats, it will use the old stats and it will run the query as per the old plan. It will create performance issues.
Okay. So what are the isolation levels that we are having in SQL Server?
Isolation.
What is the default isolation level in on-prem SQL Server?
I'm not sure, Asha.
Okay. What is dirty read?
Pardon?
What is dirty read?
Yeah, dirty read. Actually, like no, right now not sure.
How many types of locks we have? Locks, shared lock like that.
Yeah, lock. Okay, okay. It's a shared lock and yeah, we have shared locks and exclusive locks. Sorry.
Okay. Only two.
Yeah, shared lock and exclusive locks.
Only two.
Yes.
Only two. What about update lock?
Yeah.
Already table lock. There are many, right, man?
Yes, yes.
Then so what are the server admin roles we have? Server level roles are there in SQL Server?
Yeah, when it is come to the server level roles, we have bulk admin, we have sysadmin, we have disk admin, and we have setup admin, we have DB creator, like
Go ahead.
security admin and process admin.
Okay. So that's
Yeah.
okay. And example, okay. What are the algorithms that we have for encrypting in SQL Server? Are you aware of RC4, AES RC4 like that?
No, Harsha.
Okay. So, I mean, I want to protect the backups.
Okay.
So what is it, how you are going to protect that backups?
Protect means?
I mean, if, for example, I took the backups on D drive, somebody might take that backups and they can restore on their version, right? On their on-prem, on their individual SQL server.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so how you are going to protect that backups?
When we take mirrored backup, we can have 4 sets. We can keep it in different.
No, we see that person is having all the on the OS level. He is having access.
Okay, okay.
Okay, then
Not sure, Asha.
okay. Are you aware about of TDE?
Yeah, transparent data encryption.
Okay. So what it is going to do?
When we have a transparent data encryption, it has a security key.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever we move the that particular, it is a database level encryption.
Mm-hmm.
It is a security on security part.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever we restore this particular database to the other server, we need to ensure that that particular security key need to be provided. Then only it can encrypted.
That is the last question I asked, right? That is the only last question I was asked you. But you are not able to answer. When I asked a particular what is TDE, then you are answering.
Yeah. Yes, that's it.
How many types of replication we are having?
Yeah, we have 4 types of replications. Transactional replication, snapshot replication, transactional replication, merge replication, and peer replication.
Are you on which replication mostly you worked on?
Yeah, I worked mostly on the financial industry, in the in market. So we use the transactional replication most of the time.
Okay. What is looks alive and is alive?
Not sure, Ashwan.
Okay. Okay. What is quorum?
Quorum is nothing but it is a complete storage part on cluster, which will decide where all the storage related to the cluster will be available on Quorum.
Okay. So in your system, you are having a default instance.
Okay.
Okay. So okay. So how you have open SSMS. Okay. How you are going to connect to the SQL server? Default instance is there. How you are going to connect?
Generally, when we have a default instance, we can connect through dot.
Yeah. Okay. A dot. Okay. Very good. Apart from that.
Apart from that, based on authentication, whether it is Windows authentication or
No,
SQL
that's okay.
authentication.
That's okay. But name only I'm asking. You said dot. After
Yeah,
that, only dot.
we
Only
can
dot only
use
you can connect. Otherwise, is there any
we
other
can use
way?
SQL server. Name SQL server. Yes,
SQL server name, right?
yes, yes.
What is the default SQL server name? What could be? It could be. You have selected default instance.
It will be like mssql server.
No, that's okay, buddy. What could be? How? For example, what is the name you are going to type in that box in the server name of connection?
Yeah, this is very simple, but we never observed that.
Okay. How you, let's assume that you have installed named instance and you have enabled port as well. How you are going to connect with the port?
Generally, we will use a fully qualified domain name and port number.
No, that's okay. You are, but my question is different, right? See, in our company, what is the way that you are using with the we are recruiting you for our process, right? Okay,
Yes,
like if I am doing a job for like giving high, then you what you said is right. But we are recruiting you for our company.
yes.
Okay, yeah. Okay. What is SQL Server browser?
SQL Server browser right now not.
Not right, right? Okay. So what is the SQL Server port number
Port
on-prem SQL Server?
default port number is 1433.
1433.
Yes.
What about 1434?
1434. It is used for just
Used for
um, think it is used for
that if you enable that dedicated administrative connection.
yeah. Whenever SQL Server is completely down, we use the dedicated administration connection through
Not
one.
completely down means what, man? If you shut down, are you able to connect through that?
Yeah. We can use to DAC and using 1434 in a single user mode.
When SQL Server is on but still unable to connect because of high resource consumption or whatever it could be. So when SQL Server is unresponsive, we can try to this connection. That
Yes,
is
sir.
what exactly DAC is. Even it is not like down, completely down. Okay.
Okay. Yes,
If
I got.
completely down, even Microsoft is also not doesn't able to connect.
Yes, correct.
Hmm. Have you worked on clustering?
Yeah, yes, actually,
Okay. So how much you give for yourself from 1 to 10 in T-SQL development?
see, development part I never worked on. I don't have development knowledge.
Okay. So that's okay. How much you are going to give your rating from 1 to 10?
Yeah, because I'm having very basic knowledge, I can consider 3.
Okay. 3. Okay. Mm. What about PowerShell?
PowerShell also I have only basic knowledge.
Okay. What
This
about like on Linux? Do you have any Linux background?
no. Only I have worked on Windows part. Linux not
Okay.
at all.
Do you have any knowledge on like other RDMS like Postgres?
No, actually I'm having only knowledge on mssql only.
We require persons who are having knowledge on open source RDBMS and as well as MongoDB as well. So if you have MongoDB NoSQL database, not only MongoDB, if you have any SQL, it could be added advantage for you. Are you able to learn if we give a chance for you?
Yeah, whenever it is come to the
How much?
requirement.
How much it will? How much time do you want to learn all this?
Yeah, whenever it is required for the project requirement, I am always ready to learn the new technologies, and I'm a fast learner, so I will not take much time. I think 30 days is enough to learn MongoDB. 20 to 30 days is enough
Okay.
because it
Okay.
is a simple
That's
technology.
nice, Krishna. Do you have any questions about?
Yeah, so is it supporting project or it is migration project?
Yeah, support only.
Okay. We have any different shifts, rotational shifts?
Yes, yes, we have different shifts. Okay, every week the shift will get rotated. Okay.
Yeah, no problem. I'm ready to work on different shifts. Even
What's your age?
yeah, I'm 45.
45.
Yes.
So, is it possible to work in rotation shifts at this age?
Yeah, actually, I'm already working on in rotational shifts from last 5 years. So it is not a issue. I'm already accustomed with rotational shifts.
Okay, man, that's very nice. But for me, let's assume that I was in your position, so I didn't choose that way. Okay. For me, it is very hard to work in the rotation shifts at that age. And you
But
yeah, go ahead.
yeah, but SQL when it is come to the DBA, it is common for it is a mandatory to work in rotational shifts. So we have already make up my mind. So
It's not like
already
that. It's not like every project, okay?
yeah,
It's all
there is a
depends upon
project.
this project.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
My previous project was 24/7. We are working in rotational shift, and every week
Actually,
we are.
nowadays, every company is changing the architecture.
Yes,
So everybody is, every company is considering about their employees' health, and nowadays, most of the companies are giving only two shifts. One is APAC and EMEA, and that the
yes,
US shift, Redmond shift is going to be handled by US people only.
yeah,
So
yeah.
you just select the right project, the right company.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes, sir. I agree that. But whenever it is opportunity comes for
Yeah,
the
agreed. In the market
so
calls
to be
nowadays,
ready.
calls are, yeah,
But
I understood.
yeah,
Okay, then it's nice talking to you, Krishna, and we will get back to you.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
Akshay. It's nice talking.
Bye.